forget to subscribe!
Hetty and Harry's special cake.
Pororo and his friends are at the playground.
Look, my tummy's grumbling after all that running.
Mine too. What should we have for dinner tonight?
How about we each make a dish and share like a potluck?
Okay, sounds great. What dish are you gonna make, Poby?
I was thinking of baked fish.
Poby's baked fish is out of this world. Krong, do you want to make a veggie soup?
I'm thinking I'll make... And you, Loopy?
I'll make sandwiches.
What will you make, Eddie?
Not now. I'll tell you when we get home. Ahem. As I was saying, I'm going to make a delicious cake.
You're going to make a cake, Petty?
Harry?
Have you forgotten about those cookies you made? They tasted like cardboard boxes.
I can do a better job this time.
I doubt it. I bet it'll be really yucky.
What? Let's see just how good your cooking is.
Fine then. I'm going to make a cake too.
Great. We can see whose cake tastes better once and for all.
You're on. Hey, guys. We better go and start cooking.
Yeah, okay.
Everyone went home to make dishes for the potluck.
Eggs, flour, and salt. I'm all set. I'm going to make the most delicious cake ever. Now, let's get cooking.
Huh? You want to make the soup now? I want to play more. But hey, Krong, do you know how to make veggie soup? Because I'm totally clueless. Krong, you're amazing. You look like a real chef. I can relax now and leave the cooking to you. Thanks. I have complete trust in you. I'm gonna go see how the others are doing with their dishes. Bye, Krong. Now I can go play and have fun. La 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 la. I hope my friends enjoy these.
Loopy!
What?
Wow, you're done cooking already? I was wondering if I could borrow your sandwiches real quick.
What for, Eddie?
You'll know soon enough. I'll bring these back to you in a little bit.
Eddie!
All right, I think I'm ready.
Oh, Eddie, did you make sandwiches?
No, Rhodey, I borrowed these from Loopy.
Oh.
Here, now watch. With this machine, I can make an exact copy of a dish without having to cook it.
Wow, that's cool.
Oh, it's nothing, really.
I'm finished! It looks so delicious.
Harry?
Poby, you're back. So, did you catch any fish?
Yes, I caught a whole bunch, but then I lost them by mistake.
Not to worry. We still have my yummy cake. Poby, can
Yeah?
you tell me if it tastes good?
Sure, no problem. I'll just have a bite. Oh. It's yummy, Harry.
How could you eat the whole thing? I asked you to just taste it.
Oh. I thought that was just one piece. Sorry.
Now I have to make another one.
You need to make it bigger if you want everyone to have a piece.
Make it bigger? Poby, can you help me, please?
Uh-huh. Of course.
Okay, let's start making the batter.
Yup. Oh, wait a sec. I forgot my apron.
Okay. You're moving too slowly.
Sorry, I'll try and go faster. Yeah.
This is going to take forever. Oh.
Harry thought about Petty and how quick and nimble she was.
I'm finally finished. I'll go ask the others to taste it for me.
Petty! Where are you going?
Pororo, how perfect! Can you taste my cake for me?
What? Taste your cake?
Here.
But okay.
How is it?
It's really yummy. I have to go now. Later, Petty.
Pororo? Is my cake bad? It's horrible! I wish he would have told me the truth.
Petty, it's salty. It's like you dipped this cookie in seawater.
Petty thought about Harry and how honest he always was.
What am I gonna do?
Petty!
Harry? Is something wrong?
Not exactly, but... Petty, can you help me out?
Huh?
You see, it's hard for me to bake a big cake all by myself.
Okay, I actually needed you too. I missed your honesty.
Really? Then do you want to join forces, Petty?
Totally. Yeah.
Whoa! Wow, you're so fast! Petty, here's the sugar! Wow, Petty, you're my hero! 2 spoons of sugar, stat!
Yes, chef. What? Is it bad?
It's yummy! Wow! We did it, Petty! I'm home! Have you finished making the soup? What? You just played all day? So then you didn't cook anything? I didn't cook anything either? Guess you're right. It'll be okay because we can just eat Loopy's food.
Meanwhile, Loopy went to Eddie's house to get her sandwiches.
Eddie!
Loopy, are you okay?
What just happened?
I invented a replicator that can make exact copies of food, but it blew up.
Are my sandwiches okay?
They went kaboom.
They what?
I'm sorry.
Come back here!
We finished! We did it! Hooray! No one can decorate a cake like you, Harry.
Oh, you flatter me.
Thank you for helping me, Harry.
It was nothing. Hey, Petty, sorry for teasing you before.
It's okay. This awesome cake makes up for everything.
I'm glad.
Me too. Everyone's going to be so shocked.
Totally.
It was time for dinner. The friends all gathered at Loopy's house.
Hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Hello. Did you bring your dishes?
I tried to make my fish dish, but the fish I caught got away.
We were going to make soup, but we ended up playing instead.
Where's your food, Loopy?
Actually...
Long story short, I blew it up.
Blew it up?
So then we don't have anything to eat?
Hey guys!
We're here!
Petty!
Harry! Oh, what you got there?
Ta-da!
Harry and I made it together.
It's super duper yummy!
Uh-huh.
You guys made it together?
Go on and try it.
Hurry, hurry! Wow, it's yummy!
Really?
It is really good.
I knew it! I told you it was really yummy! Petty, Harry, it's out of this world!
Thanks to Petty and Harry, the friends were able to enjoy a delicious cake together.
I'm gonna have more!
I want more too.